Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today I'm going to be telling you the 3 most important tips for all dancers. Alrighty, so our first thing is our posture. Posture is one of the most important things. We should feel a nice straight line pulling our head. So let's say I have a string on the top of my head being pulled all the way up. So I have a really long neck. I feel that my stomach is pulled in. I'm creating a nice long line in my back. Shoulders are rolled back. I'm not forcefully putting them back. I am just letting them nicely roll back. Again, stomach pulled in, long back, long neck, long spine, head always looking straight ahead. So not up, not down, straight ahead. The second tip that I have is our feet. Our feet should always be slightly turned out and using the inside edges of the big toes. So whenever I'm taking a step, I'm always thinking about how I'm placing my foot first on that inside edge of the foot and then how I roll it through. Another thing is when I'm collecting my feet together, I would like to brush my foot in, again, using that inside edge of the foot, bringing the toe in, and I always feel pressure towards the ground. Another thing that you should be aware of in your feet is that when you're going for a turn, we are pivoting through the ball of the foot, not the heel of the foot. So that front foot, I'm gonna go for a forward walk turning. I'm pivoting through the ball of my foot, not through the heel of my foot. And as I'm turning, my front foot is going to turn as much as my back foot and vice versa. And my last and final tip is that every time you're doing a step, to focus on fully transferring the weight from foot to foot. So let's say I'm going into a Rumba basic and I'm taking a step to the side. I have my right foot stepping to the side and I want to make sure I fully get my whole spine on top of that foot, so that I have my left foot free and I have all of my weight on my right foot. And now I'm gonna, let's say, take a step forward and I'm gonna fully get that weight forward onto the left foot, fully get my weight on back onto that right foot, and then again to the side, fully onto that left foot. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.